Hey y'all, welcome back to JS Tree Farms on YouTube. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Today, yes, we're working on the big old Versatile. We've had almost 3 inches of rain. Yes, I just got done, plowing this a few weeks ago. They went to Georgia and brought back me a rain. And yes, that is 11-inch plowed ground with puddles in it, especially on the end there. It's real deep on the ends. I mean, it's probably deeper than 11 inches on the ends. Even cleaned off my plow. Look at there. But yeah, we are working on the Versatile. It is deader than a doornail. And I looked on the date on the batteries. Yep, they're 5 years old. So, and I've been having some problems with them the last few years. Just been running down awful easy, and it's kind of hard to crank every once in a while. So we're going to replace them. And so we're going to take them off. I'm going to try this. My GoPro, I've got my SD card in my computer at home, which I'm here at the house. I just don't want to walk back and go get my SD card. So we're going to try this right quick. We're going to do a little time lapsing on the iPhone. See what happens. And I'll have my GoPro up and running next time. But we're going to try to prop it up and try to do this a time lapse real quick of me taking these off. So let's see what happens. Well, that worked pretty good. I looked it over. I think we'll send it. That time lapse, first time I ever used it on the iPhone. Look, it worked pretty good. Anyway, we're off to go get new batteries. Wasn't too bad. I even took the tray out. I'll have to clean these. I'm not a big fan of these, even on a semi truck, but it is what it is. But I'll take this up to the barn and I'll clean this. This is the tray they go in. And there's my 3 batteries. You can see 416 they was written. That's about the time I bought this tractor. So it's probably put on about the time that I bought it. So anyway, it's off to town. All right, got new batteries now and washed out the tray. And now we'll put it back together. Well, that's it. Let's go see if it'll crank. Let's go here. All right. That's done. That's in neutral. Perfection. Raise the plows up. Let's go park this out. Hey, let's go hang up some rain gauges. We might get a rain this afternoon. All right, here at gauge 1, we're out here on Jackie, the field I call Jackie's. Scratch that. Okay, out here in field number 1, the field that I call Jackie's. We had a good, I think about a ½ inch rain here. We've got a crack in the gauge, so we might have got a little more. My dad that lives straight east of here said he got a little over ½ inch. I live about 1.5 miles south of my dad, and I got 0.8. So it's kind of hard to think what we got here. Between 8 and 5 is what I'm going to say. But we're going to put up a new rain gauge. We're going to christen it. And I know I'm going to be drinking beer on YouTube. I don't know if I'll do that or not. Let's not call it beer. Let's call it fizzling suds. Because I got to christen it. You got to christen a rain gauge when you hang it up. You got to, because that will wish the rain gods many of future rain. So you got to do it. All right, here we go. This is for YouTube, so I'm not going to show what I'm pouring in this rain gauge, but you'll know what it is. I'm going to call it christening juice. And I got to wait for the foam to get out. That might take a minute. Something like that pour with solid foam. Let's see if I can get it right. That's better. Well, that might be as good as we get. Let it settle down for a minute. I started doing this back when I first started farming. Of course, I drink christening juice quite often. But I don't. The christening juice and me don't get along as much as it used to. Yeah, that'll work. All right. Here is my vessel for my rain gauge, and we're going to christen in the rainy season of 2021. May he be plentiful, may he be full of rain gauges, may he bringeth toeth some massive crop. So christening juice. We christened it. Gauges be ever full. See y'all next time.